बहकी सभी जुबां है, हम हैं हजारों में, अब की कमी जरा है, हर चीज खास है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सकी तो रबा है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सके, ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी, ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी है।
Hi guys, this is Sam the Lost Hero. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm out with my cycle here, and here's Soumyajit. We are going to explore places in Salt Lake and find a suitable location to do light painting. So stay tuned and keep watching. দেখে আসি তো যেতে কোথায় চাইছিস এদিক ওইদিক ঘুরেই চলেছে What's your problem, man? 10 সেন্টিমিটার রেডিয়াসের মধ্যে এদিক ওইদিক 3 বার ঘুরলাম উফ We found out this place. I think we can shoot over here. So this is a empty street, kind of. Not that empty. It's pretty busy right now. You're telling that we can do that thing over here. No. What? What? Dark gully. আমরা এরকম গলি পেলে আমি লাইট পেইন্টিং করি ডিফারেন্স ইন ওপিনিয়ন ইয়েস ইটস নট দ্যাট ডার্ক ওই দিক দিয়ে গিয়ে দেখি চ Okay, so we are at a housing complex here at Salt Lake. We are planning to do some light painting over here. My friend Soumyajit has gone with a cycle to scout out other places around here to find the best location to do light painting. So here is he coming, riding in the cycle over there. I think you can see him. Yeah. So let's see. কি বলছিস ওইদিকে কমপ্লিটলি একটা ডার্ক গলি আছে আচ্ছা কিন্তু একদিকটাই বিল্ডিং খালি আর ওইদিকে বালির পাহাড় টাইপের স্ট্রাকচার রয়েছে অন্ধকার ওকে লেটস গো তো কি what are you saying did you find any suitable location
Yes, very dark gully.
okay oh my god this place is so dark over here perfect for light painting here what are you doing with my cycle bruh bye. This was on camera. Our gully. Bruh, perfect. We found the perfect place over here. Damn. Good job. So we are going to shoot the image over here. People might see from their houses right there, but we don't give a fuck. We are here to make the image, and we will do so at any cost. We are going to park the cycle over here, take out our gear, and try to make the image. Oh my god. It's so dark, man. Really dark. Bruh. What a location, man. Legend. Let's start then. What do you say? Yeah, approval given. This is really dark. কোনো লোকও নেই এখানে ওই তো লোক আছে আচ্ছা Found out this beautiful place. I don't think you guys can see anything over here, but here are two buildings and there is an empty road in between. Okay, so this is our setup. There is our OSMO action shooting, and this is my camera and tripod setup. So this will be the frame. You guys can't see anything over here, but you'll get to see it once we take the image. So let's get shooting. Check this out, guys. This place might look so dark in camera, but when I do a long exposure, this place turns out to be so much good. We can do some light painting over here and some other stuff. Let's get going.
under your control. Everything is real. So hit me. So hit me.
দেখে যাক কি এসছেটা ও
So hit me. First a confession. With you, I feel a connection. With you, it's like an infection. I've been infected with an obsession. With you, never any tension. Nothing but love and affection. Enough of my case, so let's cut to the chase. Let's see the directions.
এমনি করছি আমরা আমরা ফটো তুলতে ভালোবাসি দেখবে তুমি
না না ও দেখবে দেখবে
দেখে না
আর এই দেখো এরকম ঠিক আছে
আগেরটা দেখো এরকম করতে
না না ও ছবি জানি আমার সারা তোলে বললাম ছবি আমরা ছবি তুলতে ভালোবাসি
তাই
বিভিন্ন রকম লাইটটা দিয়ে এই জিনিসটা করি ঠিক আছে
You say go. Nobody needs to know. Whatever you say, go.
Okay, so we are done shooting over here and we are getting out of this place. This place looks a bit sketchy and people around here are not that nice. I will tell about this more later in the vlog. Let's get out of here.
Playful. I promise that I keep it tasteful. So.
Okay, so after taking the image, we are going out from this housing complex. Did not have a good experience over here. Would you like to say something?
Everything was fine until those people arrived.
So basically, we were shooting the image very nicely. Things were going good. We were creating the frames nice. So after that, out of nowhere, few people came with the torch, and they out of nowhere came and started looking at our cycle closely, and they were talking among themselves that some cycle had been stolen from here recently, and they were suspecting us that we stole their cycle. Come on, seriously. This is just cheap. So we are out from this housing complex and এটাই বলার ছিল একটু খারাপ লাগলো আমাদেরকে চোর ভাবলো ওরা আর নোংরা মানে খুব বাজেভাবে এসে আমাদেরকে ডিস্টার্ব করার ঠিক আছে তাও এরকমভাবে টর্চ মেরে মেরে কেন দেখবে সিটের তলায় দেখছে ওর সাইকেল কিনা দ্য ফাক ব্রো এরকম কে করে হোয়াট ডু ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু সে অ্যাবাউট দিস এক্সপিরিয়েন্স
ছোট লোক ছিল
হ্যাঁ তাই তো আবার কি মানে কাম অন জাস্ট আস্ক স্ট্রেট ফরওয়ার্ড যে ওদের মনে হচ্ছে এটা চুরি হয়েছে কিরকম নিজের মধ্যে কথা বলছে আর সাইকেলটাকে এসে রুমে টর্চ মেরে মেরে দেখছে কাছে গিয়ে fuck bro anyways we got some beautiful images positive জিনিসটাকে নেওয়া উচিত সবসময় তো ঠিক তো আমরা এখন আইসক্রিম খেতে যাচ্ছি we are going to treat ourselves yeah nice
বাহ বাহ বাহ
yes
This is my kingdom, you're stripped of all freedom. You want nothing but my possession. Head back, hands tied.
কি বললি তুই ওখানে কি হাফা এটাকে বাংলা ইংলিশে বল what yaar
So baby, I'm yours. Whatever you say, go. Nobody needs to know. Whatever you say, go.
So that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and comment down your thoughts. You want to say something? Okay. Peace.
So hit me. So hit me. So hit me. First a confession. With you, I feel a connection. With you, it's like an infection. I've been infected with an obsession. With you, never any tension. Nothing but love and affection. Enough of my case, so let's cut.
Good air flowing.